So you can be a very successful home inspector. And for me, success and wealth are two different things. So economic success is having enough money that is greater than your burn rate, the amount of money you spend on anything to live. And wealth is different. Building wealth is all about time and taking a different path to having that kind of lifestyle. Wealth is where you no longer work for money, but you have money working for you. So you have assets sufficient enough to pay for the lifestyle that you want. And you can build wealth in several different ways. And building wealth is all about having that passive income, those assets that make you money more than you spend in order to live. And that could be owning a business that pays you, that you invest in, investing in other businesses that bring you a return on your investment. You can buy stocks or funds that provide you dividends. You can have a appreciation in a house that you buy yourself. You can have rental income from a property that you own and rent to other people, or you can make money that another company pays you because you have this cooperative relationship between the companies. There are many different ways where you can have assets that make you money where you're not working for the money. You have these things that make you money and it's passive income. Like it makes you money while you're sleeping because you don't have to go out there and work for it. And that's wealth. That's the difference between success and wealth for me, that you don't have to actually work for money anymore. You have money working for you. And I know a lot of home inspectors who are successful and wealthy.